Hi, I'm Dinesh Bahal, and I'm the Web 2 guy at Sun. And along with me here is Renee, my partner in crime, and this is Dinesh's video blog. We're going to try an experiment here talking about what's Web 2, what's Web 2 for Sun, and how we can be successful so that we're setting the long-term foundation for Sun. So let me make sure I have my props ready. And of course, so nobody ever forgets during the course of this program who I am. I'm the Web 2.0 guy.
So, Dinesh, what's Web 2.0?
Well, good question. So, Web 2.0 is really a technology. It's an overhyped technology that everybody refers to in a lot of different ways. The simple way to say it is that it's changing the web from a read medium, i.e. stuff that I pick up, to a read-write medium, so everybody, you, me, my mother, my uncle, all of us become publishers. And there's lots of different websites that exhibit Web 2.0 characteristics, genie.com or ancestry.com. You go in and you put in things about your family, and you get all of your cousins involved, and they're putting in things about their family, and they get all of their cousins involved, and pretty soon you have an online family tree that goes through generations. What we're looking at Web 2.0 at Sun is we're looking at Web 2.0 as a vertical industry, right? So I work for Sohail Saliba, whose job is really to run industries and partners at Sun, and we look at Web 2 as an industry, so that's the internet providers, whether it's Google in the United States, Yahoo, or Baidu in China. We look at gaming companies, Betfair in the UK, or Electronic Arts in the US. We look at service providers like Salesforce.com, and we look at the new social networking companies like Facebook and MySpace, and our job is to understand how do we at Sun create the ecosystem and be successful in this marketplace.
I hear a lot about redshift here at Sun. I'm not quite sure, how is that the same or how is it different from Web 2.0?
Well, Web 2 companies are all redshift companies in the sense that the applications they use demand redshift computing power. That means computing power that's growing at a rate faster than Moore's law is showing the CPU growth at.
So how do these Web 2.0 companies, how do they make decisions when they're buying infrastructure?
Well, that's a really good question, and I've been doing this job for about 3 months now, and it's actually a really scary question because the Web 2 companies, really it's people with ideas. And they get an idea, maybe they're at school or maybe they just graduated, maybe it's 3 guys who get together and say, you know, we want to start a company doing this. And what do? They go download some software, find a hosting provider, and they're up and running within a few days. And some of them, like an application called Mail on Facebook, go crazy. They go from 0 to 1 million users within a few days. And that's part of what you said, redshift, right? Hyper growth in terms of demand. So you said, how do they choose their infrastructure? Well, they start with the free open source software. And that's really Sun's opportunity, is all of our software is free. All of our applications, our stacks are available, and they typically perform better and are easier to use for a lot of these companies.
Thanks, Dinesh.
No, thanks a lot, Renee. Thank you.